And I'm back. Toughbuilt drill holster. Put your drill in here. Little strap, you little strap on. You get the strap on. If you like a strap on, there you go. It goes in. Wow. Look at that. Isn't that? You can't. This screams beautiful. I love it so much. I love it super hard. The big thing that I care about, fasteners can go in here. You know, anchors, whatever you want to do, right there. And you strap it down. Little strap on there. Nice. It's like all the Toughbuilt stuff. You know, you get this little thing here, right? You push this little thing. Look at that. It goes on your belt. This requires us to wear belts. It works for Metabo. It works for Makita. It works for you Milwaukee soy boys out there. Can put your little drivers in there. Works for DeWalt. And the nice thing is it's got yellow on it. That's like a DeWalt color, right? It probably comes from China. It comes from China. Ooh, it's from China. Who knows? With the way things are going, maybe they'll be costing more money. Maybe they won't import them anymore. Quite frankly, tariffs. Oh, who knows? But for right now, the Toughbuilt stuff is available. Go grab it. It's what, 30, 40 Aspen? I don't know, but it's worth it every penny. It just, bam. You know, I mean, kablamo, can I say kaploozle? Kaploozle! Kapow! I don't know. Kaploozle. Don't listen to me. Kids, stay in school, basically. I've lined out in a semi-popular for me video the Toughbuilt pouch and how I set it up. And I'll tell you, I even added my 15-in-1 ratchet. I think I needed it on a job. I got my punch down screwdriver, which is awesome. And my favorite Lennox 9-in-1, which is just beautiful. A beautiful driver. Knipex. Is Knipex, Knipex? I don't know. I think it's, must be German for expensive because I think it was like $58. The weight of this, having that pouch on the other side is going to balance out some of the weight because sometimes you get on the job and you're like, well, dang, my pants are sagging on one side. No more, right? Toughbuilt makes several different pouches, and this is the drill holster one. I like it because do I really need a drill holster? Maybe not. I like the pouch. And if I can find one that's just pouches, maybe I'll do a video about that. We'll see how it goes. You know, Toughbuilt is never going to see what I'm doing here. But if they were, I would say, Toughbuilt, please. I wouldn't spit so much into the camera. I would say, Toughbuilt, please. I would say, Toughbuilt, please. Make mounting bases for your new cases so I can replace all of my T-Stack stuff with Toughbuilt stuff. Because I really like the looks of your cases, but I want to be able to mount them so they don't slide around in my truck. And I know I'm only one person, and you can't change your business model for just one person. But that would really make my life better, please. The verdict is, it's good. The Toughbuilt holster is good, very good. This is honestly, I'm gonna be real with you, as if I'm never real. I'm gonna be real with you. As far as drill holsters, best one I've seen. I've tried them before, didn't like them. This one, I have no complaints with this drill holster at all. And it even gives you another thing to boot. Do they still say to boot? If you don't have a Toughbuilt case yet, why? They're fantastic. Now, you could, if you're a home DIYer, let me tell you, the lady, your girlfriend, robot lover, lady, woman, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever, they seem to like it when you throw a tool pouch on to do work. So having this stocked up with a few tools and make you look like you know what you're doing. You gotta do a home project, put your tool pouch on and receive much admiration from your partner. That's my experience. Anyway, why not? Now with two pouches, do you receive twice the admiration? Twice the admiration? Maybe. We'll have to find out. I'll let you know. Get some projects going. Right now we have a Christmas lights project. Got to enjoy hanging Christmas lights yesterday until it got dark, and probably doing it later today. To recap. Is that something that the gangsters would do, the recap? You say, You go hit a house with the drive-by, right? And they didn't die and they're in the hospital. You find out where they are, you recap. It's probably what they do. It's probably a gangster term. Recap. Snoop Dogg, if you ever see this, let me know. At this point, the best tool pouches I've seen would be the Toughbuilt. I know a lot of old school leather guys out there. Leather's good, but I was super attracted to the idea that I could just clip it on my belt and then clip it off. It's fantastic. You know, you leave the job, you leave the call you're on, you leave whatever you're doing, and it's even more satisfying to just boom, my tools are off. I'm in my truck, done doing the work. That feels fantastic. Before I had to undo my pants, get the pouch off my belt, and it looks a little dirty, and the customer's in front of their house or business, whatever. I'm like, I'm not undressing. I'm just taking my tool pouch off or putting it on. I got to admit, clipping it on and clipping it off is very satisfying. It's actually more satisfying clipping it off. That means you're done or mission accomplished, you know what I'm saying? There you have it, Toughbuilt. Pretty good. There you have it, Toughbuilt. And that's all I have to say about the matter. Goodbye. Hi. Just sitting out here on the tailgate. And I'm back. Okay, now that I've successfully weirded you out, let's talk about Toughbuilt. The Toughbuilt drill holder, holster thing with the strap, with the possibly not needed strap unless you like to run on the job site. But I get paid the same whether I run or not, so I ain't gonna be running. Pouch for the bits, for the screws, whatever you want. Here, fasteners go in here, drill goes in here, or your impact. You can throw some bits in there. It's a solid pouch. I mean, it screams quality. Look at this, look at this. Check this out. Look at those rivets. It's just, I deem it quality. It's nice. Okay, you can put snacks in it. You put snacks in there, right? Snacks? Yeah, you know, why not?